Mickey Mouse Clubhouse is made possible by a cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Corporation for Public Broadcasting. Additional funding provided by the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, dedicated to strengthening America's future through education. And by
Bright Horizons. We provide working families with childcare and early education. At Bright Horizons, we believe every child is full of potential, ready to grow and ready to learn.
Chuck E. Cheese's, proud supporter of PBS Kids, who know of all the things a kid can learn, one of the most important is learning to laugh. PBS Kids, where a kid can be a kid.
Sometimes big dreams start small, with a foundation that will last a lifetime. Read to your child 15 minutes a day and inspire them to dream big. Shea Homes, caring since 1881.
additional funding provided by the National Endowment for Children's Educational Television and the National Endowment for the Humanities, and by contributions to your PBS station from viewers like you. Thank you.